Now, a group of students from Stanford University have developed a pair of augmented reality glasses that lets users talk with ChatGPT. The device, according to the students, is meant for people who get nervous on dates, interviews, even meetings. This ChatGPT-enabled lens can apparently make one better at job interviews, even just generally give a better personality. Stanford University students created RizzGPT, a tool that uses artificial intelligence and augmented reality to help people during challenging talks.
RizzGPT basically uses AI to provide you charisma on demand. And so it listens to your current ongoing conversation and it tells you exactly what to say next, whether you're on a date or you're doing a job interview. So it has a camera and a microphone right at the top, and also has this kind of 720p display. It's a 2D display and just shows text that you can look at. So right now there's some text that I can see in the process of this interview.